Hello everybody, this is Abraham. What we got here is a radio with navigation from a Volkswagen. This particular radio is used on several different models. This one comes from a Beetle, I believe 2014, 15, something like that. What is the problem? The problem is the touch screen touches itself and doesn't allow you to use it properly. Let's take it apart. It's all disassembled. The touchscreen overlay over the LCD cannot be removed. So there is a glue that holds it in place. I tried removing it. That cracked the LCD. So I heard it and I'm like, oh crap. The touchscreen is sold separately. I don't know of a way to remove it, and moreover, how to reattach it back because of the liquid that's inside there. Thankfully, these parts are available. So by the way, this is the casing from the old one. So this is how it comes. Comes with a nice case. And okay, why is this happening? This is the bottom. This is why it's happening. There is dirt that basically falls between the screen and the front face. There isn't a way to really stop it. If you put any kind of silicone or anything around it, that'll damage the LCD, not LCD, the touchscreen, and it'll do things. Over time, this will happen. The only way to really prevent it is to take the radio apart, clean it out periodically, maybe once every year or two, and that will prevent the touchscreen from being damaged. I can see, I don't know if you can see, there is some residue on the bottom of the touchscreen. Tried cleaning. No, the residue from vibration, small vibration in the car, actually damages the LCD's coating and stops working. So that's what happens if somebody needs to know how to take it apart. I can do, no, well, I can't do, I have to return the radio. Let's see, how do you take it apart? It's not that difficult. So this piece goes up here. This piece goes over here. This is the DVD drive that goes inside here. Let's see, somewhere. Okay, I do believe that this comes up first. The top comes off first. Then you have the screws. This the DVD comes second, and you have to make sure you detach the cables carefully. Then the front comes off. Front comes as this one piece. Then you take this out. You take these standoff cards. They come out. This is the map. Then you can carefully peel the electronic circuit out, clean that up, and basically that's what you have. To clean this, you use brush. Just a toothbrush is fine. Air. You can use alcohol, but don't use water. If you do use water, make sure it doesn't get onto these contacts. These are the buttons. So as you push these buttons here, they actually make contact on the board. So don't want to have any liquids there. Alcohol's fine, but not water. And then just reassemble it. This will fix your radio. This particular unit is about $1,000 plus it has to be married or mated to the car. In some cases, it doesn't need to be done. You can just replace the radio. In this case, you cannot easily replace the radio. You have to take it back to the dealer, pay them ungodly amounts of money to attach the unit to the car, because apparently there are more pieces that communicate to the radio in a car, other computers or controllers or whatever. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give me a like, enjoy, subscribe, and save money.